We are back with Eric Eaton of EFS Insurance to discuss guaranteed strategies for getting the lowest rate on your insurance policies. We all like to hear that and see that. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, good. So let's talk about this because I feel like we hear about this. We all want the lowest rates, but there's a lot of people doing this. What makes you guys different?
Well, usually what you see on TV is the auto insurers. You see the Allstate, the State Farms, the Geicos, the Progressive, the General. That's because they spend millions of dollars to promote their insurance to you. We work as a brokerage, so we take our clients' information and basically shop that through all the different companies at once. If you want to use an example, it's kind of like Kayak or Travelocity, where you're going on vacation, you put in where you want to go and it gives you all the best options. That's similar to the technology that we use. That way we can find the best policies for our clients all the time. Well,
you were saying that you may even be surprised that there's some companies out there that still give great service, but you might not have heard of because they don't have the big advertising dollars.
Absolutely, and there are a lot of companies that if you don't go through a broker, you can't have access to them.
You mentioned car insurance. Is it just car insurance that you're selling? What other types of insurance?
Good point. So I use car insurance because that's what everybody sees all the time, but we offer all lines of insurance for both personal and commercial. So we have homeowners, flood, renters policy. On the commercial side, we have workers' comp and all the whole gamut of commercial insurance for small business owners.
Okay, good deal. How long does the actual process take? I mean, are we talking weeks? Can this be done in days, hours? It seems like a lot of work for you.
Yeah, it varies. If it's just one policy, we can usually do it in a couple hours. It can be done pretty quickly. Usually, though, we're shopping multiple policies at once, and we can usually turn it around within a day or so.
Oh, I like that. Talk about actual people saving money. How much are we talking? I'm sure you see this probably on a daily basis. Talk about real numbers here if you can.
So, I mean, insurance policies vary from thousands to tens of thousands, so it's going to vary. But if we can save about 10% for people on a couple different policies, because normally we're not looking at one, but if we could save a couple $100 here and a couple $100 there, it all adds up to great savings. So we really try to add on whatever we can do and see if they're paying for services they don't need. And especially if we're working with small business owners, which we do a lot of, it's a big money saver because there's so many different insurances that they have to look at. Not only that, but the time value, you know, of reaching out to 2 or 3 different people for this or that. We like to call it the one throat to choke. You call us, we take care of everything for them.
And I want to be honest, my first question for you was like, listen, I'm going to assume that because now I'm going through a middleman, it's going to cost me more because I'm adding somebody else to the pie. You say no.
No, not typically. Typically, you're going to have more access to more carriers at cheaper costs. So you're normally going to save a good bit of money.
How often would you recommend people kind of change and relook at things? This is something due annually, even more than that?
This is a big thing for us because we shop all of our clients, every policy, every single time it comes up. Regardless if it's $25 savings or $2,500 savings, we're calling the client, let them know it's their decision, it's their money. And let's face it, a lot of insurance agents today are getting lazy, especially when you look at like homeowners. That's where we find the biggest bang for the buck. We can make a lot of savings there because people have their homeowners in their escrow and it just goes by the wayside and they never shop it and it just renews and renews and renews. A lot of people don't even know they can shop their homeowners because it's in escrow. But people just get lazy and they don't shop it, and you're passing up on huge savings.
Well, now you know. If you're watching this morning, now you know. What would you have people do if they want to find out more and see if you can help them save money?
I would suggest them call us or go online to our website at www.efsinsure.com or call us and we can help them right there on the phone.
Eric, thank you so much. We love when you're here.
Thank you very much. Appreciate being here.